Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel on how to learn Mauritian Creole language. It is very simple. Hope you will like it and please don't forget to like, subscribe and press the bell icon for more updates. Thank you. Lesson 6 Part 2 On how to name things we have inside a house in the living room. Let's start. Number 1 Living room, salon. Number 2 Table, la table. Number 3 Couch, sofa. Number 4 curtain, rido. Number 5 chair, chaise. Number 6 furniture, meuble. Number 7 cushion, coosin. Number 8 artwork, portrait. Number 9 television, télévision. Number 10 chandelier, abazour. Number 11 light, la limiere. Number 12 flower vase, vase à fleurs. Number 13 TV stand, stand télévision. Number 14 rug, carpet. Number 15 sliding door, la porte sliding. Number 16 sound system, la pareille. These are common things we have in your living room. Hope you will love it and want to learn more our Mauritian Creole language. Stay tuned for part 3. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more updates. And don't forget to press the bell icon for more upcoming videos. Thank you.